Do you need to remove overspill or debris from underneath conveyor belts? Well, the Digger Debris Cleaner is suitable for skid steers and ideal for mining and manufacturing applications. Comes in two reaches. You've got the 2800mm reach, as you see here, and also the 3300mm reach. So it comes with 350mm wide paddles, which they're designed to trap and scoop the debris. It comes with tungsten tip teeth in between the paddles. That's used to loosen up any hardened material. You do have the option of getting the paddles hard-faced, and the paddles and teeth both are easily replaceable. So the attachment comes with a heavy-duty 2-inch chain, which features the anti-back flex design, which prevents the chain links from flexing back. A bolt-on frame gives the debris cleaner the ability to be side-shifted and suits most skid steers, and the debris cleaning arm itself can be moved 87 degrees right from the center. To ensure safety and protect the paddles, a bumper and safety bar surrounds the chain as well. Made from high quality components, our debris cleaner, including the gearbox and the rollers, are all fabricated in-house in Australia to ensure longevity, better performance, and a high quality product all around. So if you like this video, if you want to know more, you want a quote, send us a message or give us a call on 1300 2 Digger.